Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to chief ministers to reduce tax levied on petrol and diesel to reduce economic impact of the pandemic, in addition to remaining vigilant on health impacts. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday conferred a Lifetime Achievement Award to legendary musician Lou Majau during the launch of Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. Public Accounts Committee has asked the state government to take measures to increase the tourist footfall into the state. With the COVID pandemic slowly easing, a lot of tourist footfall is expected into Meghalaya, but at the moment, numbers are lagging, added PAC Chairman and Nongthamai Legislator Charles Pinro. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong has said that although Meghalaya has opened up for gambling and casinos, but clearly ruled out that locals cannot participate in online gambling and that it was meant only for the tourists. As ad hoc teachers in the state have started a non-cooperation movement demanding salary hike and annual increment, Meghalaya Education Minister Lakman Rumbui said that his doors are always open for discussions with agitating ad hoc teachers.